Good morning, and welcome to today's episode of AM Inspiration, where winning your mornings is the first step toward winning your day. I'm your host, Clyde Lee Dennis, and I'm grateful to begin this new day with you. Let's start with today's inspiring affirmation. I breathe in calm and exhale tension. Let yourself pause for just a moment and breathe. There is wisdom in your breath. It's quiet, ancient, and always available. Your breath is the bridge between chaos and calm, between reacting and reflecting. When you become aware of it, even for a few seconds, you tap into your ability to slow down and reconnect with peace. This affirmation reminds you that even when the world feels overwhelming, you have the power to become the eye of the storm, not by resisting what's around you, but by standing steady within it. Here's how you can use this affirmation throughout your day. In the morning, before anything else, place your hand on your chest. Take 3 slow, deep breaths. With each inhale, say silently, I breathe in calm. With each exhale, I release tension. Let that rhythm center you as your day begins. During stressful moments, pause. Close your eyes if you can. Return to your breath. Let this affirmation guide your body and mind back to stillness. It's a way to soften your thoughts, your shoulders, and your spirit. At night, as you prepare for rest, lie still and whisper this affirmation with each breath. Let the events of the day dissolve. Let calm settle in and bring you home to yourself. Here's a helpful practice. Pair this affirmation with rhythmic breathing, inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 4, and exhaling for 6. That longer exhale sends a signal to your nervous system. It's safe to relax. Here are 2 related affirmations you can carry with you. I choose peace and positivity to guide my actions today. And I release what I cannot control and focus on what I can. That's all for now, my friend. Today, let your breath be your anchor. Wherever you are, peace is only one breath away. As I always say, win the morning, win the day. And remember, enough winning days will lead you to the life of your dreams. Thank you for listening to AM Inspiration. I'll talk to you again tomorrow.